and this is my bike check. I'm riding a Savage double back wheel, Honda hub, the Savage spokes and regular nipples, Savage sprocket, and Thermalite blue pedals, which I stole off the man who's filming right now. The seat's just normal, as you can see, Harrow one, a couple of rips in it. Not really pivotal, but I'm planning on getting the Spider leather vibrator one. I've got a standard Harrow headset, or whatever it's called. What's that called, boys?
Stem.
Soul headset. I've got some Shadow Conspiracy bars, which scratch as shit. And some just random stickers to make it look a bit nicer. Bezier grips, which are quite nice, and some bar ends that came with it. They're just standard forks of the Harrow X2, just fancied sticker bombing them, casual monkeys. And the front wheel is just stock, you know, normal nipples, everything. I am riding Salt Pitch Flow tyres that I also stole off the man who's filming.